Hello friends, how are you doing? I hope you are feeling well and I welcome you to a new tutorial video. And in this tutorial video I'm gonna show you how you can make a Gmail account for yourself. So without wasting any further time, let's begin our video. So just go here to any web browser and click to open it. In the search menu just type Gmail and from here just go to Gmail. So I'm already in my inbox, so I'm gonna log out my email, my Google account. So or I just click here, add another account, and from here just I want to create here, click here, create account, and from here I have to choose one option. So I create a Google account for myself, so I'll click for myself for my personal use. So here I have to type my name, so I type Ali, last name Ahmadi, and then I click next. So here I have to choose the date of birth. So from month I choose April, from day so I have to choose 2, and from year I have to choose 1996, and gender is, so you can choose this according to your gender, so I'll choose male, click next. So now I have to choose a username for myself, so I choose Ali Ahmadi 2024, Ali Ahmadi 2024, and I'll take a screenshot from this so that I can remember whenever I need this, and I press next. So the username is already taken, so let's try something else. Ali Ahmadi Herat 1234. So now it's selected. Let's type the password. So password must be more than 8 character. So I type So here we have to type a recovery email address. Suppose if we forget our password or our email address, so the Google will send an email address to this email. So we have to choose an email address, so I'll put my own email address here and press next. So now you can see that it is made, so we have to take a short screenshot from this. Now we have to press next. So you have to read all of this and then press I agree. So now we have to press note now. If you want to change here, so you can do it. I don't want to do this. So now we have made our account and our email address. You can see here Ali Ahmadi Herat 1234@gmail.com. Now you can see this is our inbox. So let's send an email to career@gmail.com. Hello. Hi. So this is our email address. We have made an email address. We have created an email address. So if you have any question, just let me know in the comment section about this video. So till next video, have a good time. See you later in the next video. Good time. Bye bye.